In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a rule in Outlook 365. Launch your Google Chrome web browser. Here, I have saved the Outlook inbox in the bookmark bar so that I can access it easily. Let's click on it. In the top right menu, click on the Settings icon. In the Mail tab, you can see a setting called Rules. Let's click on it. Now click on Add New Rule. Now there are 3 steps to create a rule. The first is you have to name it. Let's name it Test, for example. The second step is you have to add a condition. Click on the Select a Condition option. Here, a bunch of conditions are available, but the most commonly used ones are from and to condition. Let's select the from condition. Now you have to select a sender for this condition. The third step is you have to select an action. Let's select Move to from here. Now you have to select a folder where you want to move your emails. In my case, I will select Important. This action will move any new email from your selected sender to your selected folder. You can also add some extra conditions and exceptions if you want, but I will leave them as it is. Now check the Rule Now option, and this will turn on your rule instantly. Click on Save. Here, our rule has been created. Now, whenever a new email from my selected sender comes, it will be moved to the Important folder automatically.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.